My brother,
Hello?
where did you go?
Sorry?
Hello, my brother. How are you doing?
No, it's wrong number, sir. This is Subway.
I know this is kind of strange, but I have one important question to ask. Do you know the way?
No, I'm sorry. I don't understand, sir. I'm sorry.
But my brother, you must understand I have been searching for so long. I want to know. Do you know the way?
Sorry,
Wait,
sir.
are you still there?
Sorry, I don't understand what you say. Sorry.
Look, my brother, I know that you know the way. So I will ask you one more time. Do you know the way? My brother, where did you go? Okay, calm down, my brother. I was just asking one simple question. I still need to know the way. Do you know